How's it, people? Okay, we're down to candlesticks. This is a very short video. I've included the Candlestick Bible in the strategy course. So if you're unsure of any candlestick that you see on your chart or don't know the meaning, please refer to that Candlestick Bible. Okay, so the reason we only confirm candlestick patterns on the 1 hour down is simple. We're day traders. Going any further than a 1 hour time frame is risky, as you can have say a continuation pattern on your 4 hour chart, but on a 1 hour chart you'll see there's a reversal candlestick pattern. So stay away from any time frame above 1 hour if you're day trading. Okay, the way I confirm my candlestick patterns is on a 1 hour, 30 minute and 15 minute time frame. Let me show you examples, right? Okay, here's an uptrend. Okay, you see on the 1 hour, you see this is a hammer, pin bar, right? You've got a hammer. This represents a reversal pattern. So if it's found in the bottom of a small downtrend, you know price is going up. It's a reversal pattern. So we know price is going up here. We've got a confirmation on the 1 hour time frame. So what I do, I look for extra confirmation. So let's drop down to a 30 minute. In the 30 minute, we see we've got a bullish engulfing. That's our second confirmation of candlesticks now. I want more. I want to make sure before I enter this trade. Let's drop to a 15. On the 15, we see we've got this is a morning star. We've got all the confirmation we need now that price is headed up. We've got a confirmation on 1 hour, 30 minute and 15 minute that this is a reversal. We're going bullish from here. Let me show you an example on a downtrend. Let's find a downtrend. Okay, let's trade where price is currently trading at. Okay, so on the 1 hour, we see we've got an engulfing bearish candle. Let's drop down. 30 minute. On the 30 minute, we've got a Harami. This is also a bearish confirmation. So we've got two confirmations now that we're going in a downtrend. Let's look for one more. Here's our third confirmation. This is a shooting star. This small candle that looks like a doji. That's a shooting star. So we've got three confirmations that price is headed down. It's very, very simple, guys. The strategy is simple. Don't overthink it. Follow what I'm teaching you here and make money. What I'm teaching you here is it's really, really simple. I'm teaching you my personal strategy of how I make money every day, how I'm profitable. I don't want to teach you all this useless YouTube knowledge that's out there that's just going to confuse you all. You're going to look for things that you don't need to look for and find things you don't need to find. Overthink stuff on the charts. It's useless. You're just going to confuse yourself. Follow this plain and simple strategy and you'll be highly profitable. Believe me, I'm making money every day with this strategy. So I'm out, guys. I'll see you all in the next video. Catch you all there. What's up, guys? Step 4, back test. Okay, we've added all our key levels in, support, resistance, 250 levels in. We've added all our mid-range. We've added our zones in. Now we need to see these levels and zones that we've added in. Do they make sense? Why did we add this in? So let's back test. Remember in the beginning of the video, I said US30 moves in 250 points per move. Look at this. From mid-range to mid-range, that's 250. From key level to key level, that's 250. But look how price rejects off our mid-range. Rejects, retest, continue. Let's go further back in the chart, places where we haven't been. Look at this. Remember 250 levels. From 250 to 250. Perfect rejections of our mid-range. Retest, continuation. Let's pick up the time frame here. Look how price respects our zones. Look how price respects our mid-range. So clean 250 moves. Look, support to resistance, 250. So from support, we see price has a reaction on our mid-range, retest, continue to resistance, 250 level. So it's clear to see that everything we've added on our chart so far is valid. Look here, price respects the zone, respects our 250 level, key level line, which is support. On this move, we bought from 250 to 250 like all other moves, but look what price does. As it hits our mid-range, we must get rejection. It's clear to see that all our levels, everything we've added on so far is valid. This is magic, guys. This is magic. If you add these levels and zones and mid-ranges in exactly the way I'm showing you, you should be seeing the exact same thing on your chart. You can back test US30 till the beginning of time when US30 started, and you'll see that price respects these levels that we've put in. Price respects it all the way to the beginning. Look at this. All our levels are valid. It's clear to see. By now, you should be excited because you can see what's happening on your chart now. It's amazing. It's amazing. Look here, 250 to 250. Rejection on your mid-range. Retest up. Hope you're excited now. Let's get on to the next video, guys. I'll find you in step 5. Check you all there.